Hey guys, what's up? So just as we finished that other video doing the swing arm bushings, as you can see, we got a lot of packages from Amazon. And here's our old shocks. I don't know if you could see in the video, but these things are just warped and bent. So these are the ones we're gonna be taking off. They're junk anyways. So in this video we'll be installing these shocks. Cool, comes with a little spanner wrench. So I'm going with these, with the ct70, a little more sturdy, stronger, better than these little junks, durable. Let's get these open. Yeah, these are just things you gotta upgrade, you know. You want it to perform a little better. So here's these two. There's those. Okay, some garbage. That's the other parts. Okay. Okay, so I don't know what we need these for, but alright, so these are the ones we're going to be putting on. They're not indicated, they don't have nothing left and right, so assume it's fairly simple swap. And then, you know, we could always fine tune and adjust them later. So yeah, you definitely want to upgrade these. Take these off, you know. So simple swap. You know, we're just gonna put them on here. It's gonna look better too. So just put them on. Oh yeah, those are gonna look much better. A lot nicer too. Okay. Yeah, those compared to, let's see, I'll get you guys. Okay. Those compared to these. And these are all wobbly and suck. No way. So we ordered these on Amazon. I believe we paid about $50–$60 for them. They ain't too bad. And yeah. I mean, I saw a lot of different videos, reviews and stuff like that. Pretty decent for the price. And they come in all kinds of different colors, so. Okay, so like that. Yeah, these look sweet. This exhaust got to go too. And then we can put this back on. Okay. So, yeah, these are a fairly simple, quick swap. Let me just get these back in here. These hold up the rear rack. Okay, goes like that. We got all these washers, so let's put those back on. That one. Here's our nuts. Oops. I don't really like these style nuts, so I'm gonna be replacing those soon. Get something with a lock washer on it. Wow, these shocks look so much nicer. Okay. Let's see on this side. Sweet. I guess I could put this exhaust for now. tighten that up right now. This one down here. Yeah, so it's gonna look pretty sweet. Check them out. Pretty simple. No, not too hard to do. So it's another mod we did. Get rid of those shocks because they suck, you know. I mean, these ain't the best, but they're a lot better, and they should perform pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna get this all buttoned up. You know, once again, thanks you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys watching my videos, liking, commenting, subscribing, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And thank you guys for everything, and we're gonna keep chugging along on this bike. Thanks for watching.